I would like to welcome all of you in the lesson number 28 for grade 1 mathematics. What we have done so far, a quick revision will do first about making patterns with shapes and solids, and then we will continue practicing to make some patterns with respect to size, and later on we are going to learn about how we can make pattern with the solids also. We will practice that also, and then we will move to the number patterns, that how we can make patterns with the numbers. So guys, you have learned that how you can make patterns with the shapes and the solids. Okay, the first thing that you can make patterns with just shapes, like in the first example of the book, there are two shapes. The first shape is a square and the second shape is circle. Okay, and then after these two shapes is repeated: square circle, square circle, square circle, and square circle. So at any point, if I ask you that after square what shape will come next, so you will say circle. And if I ask you after circle which shape will come next, so you will say square. Why? Because you know the pattern is made up of two shapes, square and circle, and this pattern is repeated again and again, again and again, and again and again. So it will continue like that: square circle, square circle, square circle, and square circle. So this was the very easy pattern, right? One more pattern we discussed, that was made by using different colors. In the first pattern, the shape was different. Like there was a square also, there is circle also. But here in this pattern, the colors are different. The shapes are same. All are triangle, as you can see in your book, this page number 95. But the colors here are different. The first color is blue. The second color is orange. Blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, orange, and it will continue like that. So from any point, if I stop and if I ask you after orange triangle, which color triangle should be the next? So you will say, sir, it will be blue color triangle. If I ask you after blue color triangle, which color triangle should be the next? So you will say, sir, it will be orange, right? So this is very easy. We will do some practice also into the next file which I will share with you. And the third pattern which we started learning yesterday, that was about uh, with the different sizes. You can see guys, they all are rectangles, but their pattern is different. One is big, then smaller, then smallest, big, smaller, smallest. So if I ask you after smaller which size will come, so you will say smallest. After smallest, which size will come? So you will say, sir, it will be bigger. I'll show you the screen, guys, where we have practiced. Look at here. I'll just revise two patterns here for the shapes. Look, this is a square, circle, and triangle. So this pattern is made of three shapes: square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, square, circle. If I ask you after circle what will come, you will say triangle. Why triangle? Because the pattern is made up of three shapes, and after circle there is a triangle in the pattern. Okay. If I ask you after triangle what shape will come next, you will say, sir, square. Why square? Because after triangle there is a square in the pattern, or after triangle the pattern starts repeating. So that is the answer. Okay, let's look one more example. This is square, triangle, rectangle, square, triangle, rectangle, square, triangle. Which shape will be the next? You will say, sir, rectangle. Why rectangle? Because in the pattern, sir, after triangle there is rectangle. In the pattern, after triangle there is rectangle. So this is also we know. Okay, now if we talk about with respect to colors, how we can make patterns. So this is example for you also. These all are squares now, but the colors are different. This is blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, green. What will be the next? Blue. Why blue? Because in the pattern after blue there is green color. This pattern is made up of two colors. All shapes are same, square, and the pattern is made up of two colors, blue and green. So after blue there is green. After blue there is green. After green there is blue again. So at any point if I stop you and I ask you, so you can easily tell me the answer. There is one more example of pattern in colors. Look, these shapes, these all are triangle. The first triangle is black, the second one is orange, the third one is blue. This pattern is made up of three colors, black, orange, blue, and then after three colors this is repeated. Blue, orange, sorry, black, orange, blue, black, orange, blue, black, orange. What will be the next? You will say, sir, blue. Why blue? Because after orange there is blue in the pattern. Okay, after blue, so you will say, sir, black. Why? Because after blue there is black in the pattern, or after blue the pattern start repeating. In that way you can tell me the answer. And here we have one more example I'll give you with respect to colors. Look, these are some circles, symbols. They have different colors. I'll try to identify the pattern. This is blue, green, green, blue, green, green, then blue. So you can see, guys, there is pattern is made up of two colors, blue and green. There is one blue, two green, one blue, two green, one blue. Then there should be a green. There should be a green. Okay, after green, there should be one more green. Why? Because in the pattern, there are two green balls. Let's suppose if I draw this, and if I ask you after this green ball, so you will say one more green. You will not say blue, because in the pattern, the one ball is blue, the one circle is blue, then there are two circles which are green. So you will say, sir, one blue and two green. One blue and two green is the pattern. So that's why there is one, you need to make and draw one more green ball after that. You cannot draw a blue circle here. And that we learnt about with respect to size, which we have already discussed: big, smaller, smallest. This pattern of made of three sizes: big, smaller, smallest. So after smallest again big come, then again smaller, then again smallest. So at any point if I ask you what will come after this smallest, you will say, sir, big, because in the pattern after smallest the big will come. Okay, after big which will come? You will say, sir, is smaller. Why? Because after big there is a smaller in the pattern. So guys, up to here everything is clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Very good. Do you have any questions up to here?
no.
That's very good. If you have questions, so you can send me the message in the chat box. I can see your message, I can read it, and I can open your mic and I can take your questions. All right, guys. So guys, you know about the patterns, that we can make patterns in shapes, with shapes also, with the different colors also, with sizes also. Okay. Soleh Al Malohi, okay. He has question. Let me take him. Yes, Soleh.
Why all the people? Why all the people are mad if we make something wrong? But they need to say only
I'm not getting
they
your question, Soleh.
all the people are mad. Why?
What does that mean? Soleh, ask some relevant questions related to the topic.
That mean that means if we do something wrong, why the people are mad?
Leave it. Do you have any questions? Do you understand the patterns?
Yes.
Everything you
Big,
understand?
smaller, smallest.
That's very
Yes.
good. That's very good.
Blue, green, green, blue.
That's very good. Thank you.
Orange, black, blue.
That's very good. All right, guys. So we are going to learn about the pattern in the solids also. So for this, I'm going to move to the page number 96 of your book. So guys, like shapes, we can make patterns by using solids also, right? How? Look at the page number 96 of your book. This is cylinder. This is cylinder. This is sphere. And this is cone, right? So you can see, then again this is cylinder, again sphere, and again cone, again cylinder, again sphere, and again cone. So you can see, guys, the pattern is made of three solids: cylinder, sphere, and cone. Then the pattern is repeated: cylinder, sphere, cone, cylinder, sphere, cone. What will come next? Cylinder, sphere, cone, cylinder, sphere, cone. It will continue like this. The pattern is made up of three solids: cylinder, sphere, cone. Cylinder, sphere, cone. So if I ask you, after this cone, which solid will come? Can you tell me, guys, in the chat? After this cone, which solid will come? Yes, Sami Jazi, you are right. Muhammad Talha, very good. Yusuf, very good. Siddiq Ghalib, very good. Abdul Malik Hassan, very good. Yes, guys. After cone, which cylinder will come next? Siddiq Ghalib, very good. Abdul Moeed, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. Rashid Ahmad, very good. Ahmad Al Badi, very good. Saleh Al Malohi, very good. Umar Mohsin, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Sayyid Uzaifa, very good. Arshaman, no. Suleiman Al Gheli, no. Muhammad Al Raini, very good. Muhammad Mashti, no. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Omar Nizar, very good. Yahya Yusuf, very good. I'm going to open your mic and you will have to tell me. Yes, guys, after cone, which solid will come next? Very good. You will say, sir, it will be cylinder, because in the pattern, after cone, there is a cylinder, or after cone, the pattern is started repeating. Okay, we will practice this also in other file. Now, guys, this pattern, after this pattern, there is one more pattern. You can see these cubes. These all are cubes. Here you will have you are having different solids, but they all are same solids. These all are cube, but their pattern is used. They have made the pattern by using colors. You can see that first cube is green, then red, yellow, green, red, yellow, green, red, yellow, green, red, yellow, green, red, yellow. It will be continue like this. So to identify the pattern, you will check first that which color which colors are there in the pattern. Three colors: green, red and yellow. And after three colors the pattern is repeated. So if I ask you, after this yellow, which color will come next? So you will see in the pattern, after yellow which color comes. So guys, can you tell me, after green which color will come next? After yellow which color will come next? That's very good. Muhammad Talha, Sam Samir, Siddiq Ghalib, Ahmad Al-Badi, Yahya Yusuf, Yusuf Ahmoud, Siddiq Ghalib, Umar Mohsin, Muhammad Al-Raini, Umar Nizar, Suleiman Tariq, Suleiman Alugeli, Muhammad Ali, Umar Nizar, Iyad, Arish, Rashid, Abdul Malik Hassan, Arshman, Soleh, Sami, Sayyid Uzaifa, Rashid. Which cube, Rashid? Muhammad Ali, Muhammad Kashan, Muhammad Mashti, Abdul Muid, no, Taimullah, Arish, Muhammad Momin. That's very good. Okay, I'm going to open your mic. Yes, guys, which color? Which
Green.
color cube?
Green.
Green, green, green. That's very good. That will be green because you know it that after yellow there will be a green. And if I ask you after green, then you will say, sir, after green there will be a red cube because in the pattern after green there is a red cube. Okay, guys, in the solids also we can make a pattern by using different sizes. Like we made a pattern by using different colors. So look, these all are cuboid, but they are different in size. Smaller, bigger, biggest. Smaller, bigger, biggest. Smaller, bigger, biggest. Okay. So after biggest, again, which will come? Smaller, then bigger, then biggest. It will continue like this. This is bigger, so biggest, then smaller like this, then bigger, and then biggest. In that way it will be completed. Let's practice, guys. Let's come here again and look at this. Look at this pattern, guys. This is cuboid, cylinder, cuboid, cylinder, cuboid, cylinder, cuboid. What will come next? You have to answer me in the chat box. In this pattern, what will come next? Muhammad Talha, very good. Saleh Al Malohi, very good. Yusuf, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Ahmad Al Badi, Arshiman, Muhammad Ali, Iyad, Suleiman Al Ghili, Arish, Siddiq Ghalib, Abdul Malik Hassan, Rashid Ahmad, Umar Mohsin, Arish, very good. Some students are giving answer, their answers are correct, but their spellings are not correct. Okay, so make sure your spellings should be correct. Muhammad Al Sheikh, yes, your answer is correct. Abdul Muid, very good. Wali Ahmad, very good. Muhammad Al Raini, very good. Sami Hijazi, very good. Yahya Yusuf, very good. Taimullah, very good. Muhammad Kashan, very good. And some students are not participating. Mahmoud Imran and Umar Mohsin, Tamim, participate in the class, please. So I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me, after this cuboid, which shape will come next, guys? Very good. So you will say, sir, after this cuboid, the next shape will be Cylinder. The next shape will be cylinder. If I ask you why, how do you know? So you will say, sir, because in the pattern after cuboid there is a cylinder. In the pattern after cuboid there is a cylinder. So that is how you will know. Wali Ahmad, I unmuted all of you. You check your mic, okay? All right. Look at this pattern, guys. This pattern is made up of using different colors. These all are cubes, okay? This is blue, red, orange, blue, red, orange, blue, red, orange. You have to tell me after orange which color cube will be next. Which color cube will be next? You have to tell me after orange which color cube will be next. Muhammad Talha, very good. Siddiq Ghalib, Ahmad Al-Badi, Muhammad Ali, Suleiman Tariq, Arish, Suleiman, Yusuf, Umar, Iyad, Ashman, Umar Mohsin, Muhammad Kashan, Suleiman, Rashid, Abdul Malik Hassan, Taimullah, Umar Nizar, Arish, Samuel Iji, Yahya Yusuf, Sayyid Zafa, Muhammad Mashti, Wali Ahmad. Very good, guys. Your all answers are correct. Mahannad, very good. But what is the spelling of blue? Muhammad Al Raini. It's not BLUO, it's BLUE. Okay. Sami Hijazi, very good. Muzaffar Rashid, very good. Muhammad Ahmad Almas, don't send useless messages to me. Just try to participate in the class. Suali Al Malohi, very good. I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me. After orange, which color should be there, guys?
Blue.
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 Very good. Blue. Why blue? Because you will say, sir, uh, in the pattern after orange there is a blue color. Now if I ask you after this blue which color cube should be there, and for that I'm going to take one of the student, Umar Nizar.
The red.
Yes, Umar Nizar, which color cube should be next?
Red.
How do you know?
How I know? I
Hmm.
know the answer. After blue, there's green,
Because
and
in the
there is orange.
pattern,
Because in the pattern are blue after red.
that's very good. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, I'll take one more student. Rashid Ahmad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rashid. Can you tell me after this blue cube, which cube should be next?
Red.
Red. How do you know?
Because
In the pattern.
blue first one and then red.
Then in the pattern, right?
The pattern.
Because in
After
the
red,
pattern,
orange.
yes, because in the pattern after blue cube there is a red cube, right?
Yes.
That's very good. Thank you. Okay. All right, guys. So your all answers are correct. It will be blue. Now after blue cube, after it will be red cube. Now after red cube, which color cube will be next? And for that, I'm going to take one of the student, Suleiman Alogeli. Suleiman.
Yes.
After this red cube, which cube will be next?
Orange.
Orange. How do you know?
because I blue, red, and orange.
Because in the pattern,
Yes,
after red,
is orange.
yes, exactly. Thank you.
Welcome.
That's very good, guys. So now I'm going to open your mic, and you all will tell me. Yes, after blue, there will be orange. That's very good. Okay, guys, come here now. These are the this is the pattern. I made it by different sizes. This is biggest, smaller, smallest, big, smaller, smallest, big, smaller, smallest, big, smaller, smallest, big. Okay, so big, smaller, and smallest. So you have to tell me after this big, after this big, which will come? Siddiq Ghalib, Yusuf, Talha, very good. Ahmad Al Badi, very good. Yes, yes. Muhammad Ali, very good. I'm going to open your mic. Yes, guys. Big, small, or smallest after this? Very good. The answer is smaller. And one student is saying blue. They all are blue. Okay. But the pattern is with respect to sizes. So after this one, this is big. Smallest should be there or smallest should be there. So you will say, sir, it should be smaller. And if I ask you after smaller, then after smaller, yes, guys, smallest, smallest. That's very good. So that will be a smallest. Guys, everything is clear to you? You know about all these patterns?
Yes, sir.
That's very good. Now I'm going to again go to the book and we are going to start about number patterns. You know, guys, number also have patterns. We can find the patterns in the numbers as well. Look at this example of the book. There are some number of cubes. Look, this is 1, these are 2, there are 3. So every tower has number of cubes and that is in increasing order. From left to right, you will see that every tower has one more cube than the previous one. So the pattern is counting in ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number pattern is starting from 1 and that is counting in ones. After 1, add 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. You are counting in ones in the pattern. So once you identify the pattern, you will be able to tell what comes after 6. So I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me. Yes, guys, after 6, what will come? 7. 7. Very good. How do you know? Because you identified the pattern. The pattern is counting in ones. And when you count 1 after 6, it will be 7. We have here some examples of the pattern which you will have to tell me. Look at this pattern, guys. 8, 9, 10, and 11. After 11. After 11, what number will come? You can see, guys, starting from 8, counting in ones. After 8, 9. After 9, 10. After 9, 10, 11. So it's very easy. You can easily tell me that after 11 what will come? Siti Ghalib, Muhammad Ali, Suleiman Tariq, Yusuf, Umar Nizar, Rashid Ahmad, Suleiman, Umar Nizar, Muhammad Ali, Suleiman Abdullah, Arish Abdul Muid, Muhammad Mashti, Muhammad Al Sheikh, Arshman Aziz, Muhammad Al Raini Sami, Muzaffar Rashid, Dir Rayan, Saleh Al Malohi, Muhammad Gashan. Very good. Abdul Malik Hassan, Rakan. All answers are correct, guys. You are right that after 11 there will be 12. Perfect. Very good. Okay. Look at this pattern now. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. This is also, guys, you are counting in ones. 50 plus 1, 51. 51 plus 1, 52. 52 plus 1, 53. 53 plus 1, 54. Same, you are counting in ones or you are adding one. So after 55, what will come next? This is very good. Very good answers from all of you. I'm going to open your mics. Yes, guys, after 55, what will come next?
56.
56.
That's very good. The answer will be 56 because you are counting in once. Let me take one more student and I will ask to him Ahmad Al Wadi. Ahmad,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ahmad, can you tell me after 44 what number should be next?
45.
How do you know? Because in the yes,
44. 45.
because the pattern in the number pattern
Because
we are counting in ones, right? We are adding one. So after 44 what comes?
45.
Okay, Ahmad Al Badi, if I ask you check this pattern, can you tell me after 55 what will come? Down
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
What will come?
57. 54.
54. Why 54? Why not 56?
Because before
Hmm.
53.
Exactly, exactly. Thank you, Ahmad Al Badi. Very good. All right, guys. The point I want to raise that this is different pattern. Okay, this pattern here we are counting in ones. We are adding one, but here we are not counting in ones. It's not 58, 59, 60. We are counting back. We are going back in ones. Less. 1 less than 58 is 57. 1 less than 57 is 56. 1 less than 56 is 55. So here 1 less than 55 is 54. In that way we are counting back. So guys, we will do more practice for number patterns inshallah tomorrow. We'll continue from there. Our class time is finished. Inshallah, I'll meet you tomorrow. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. See you.
Allah
Bye.
Hafiz.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.